It's advisable to set your video quality to at least 720 HD. You can do this by clicking on the cog in the bottom right hand corner of your screen and adjusting the quality to 720 HD. Hi and welcome to this short demonstration of IBMS, which stands for Integrated Business Management System. There is a longer demonstration available on the website. My name is Ian Rendell and I've worked for Sapphire Computers as a technical consultant for over 10 years. IBMS has over 50 clients and 2,000 end users and is in its second decade of success. IBMS will either run on a server on your network, or we offer it as a hosted solution, along with a range of other hosted services, including a cloud-based office solution. As I scroll through the sections of IBMS, you will see that they all look the same, making learning the software very easily. The list of sections across the top, some control buttons, search, and some filtering options. The software boasts all the sections you need to run every aspect of your business. You have clients and sites. Here's a list of all your client records and the details of the client record that you have highlighted. The information on each record is broken down into subject-driven tabs. The site section. This is where you'd perform your work. The supply section. This is where you manage your subcontractors, service providers, and product suppliers. Both suppliers, sites, and clients all have the facility to log an unlimited amount of contacts against them, and each contact can have multiple email addresses and phone numbers. All contacts, no matter where they originate from, can be managed within the CRM section or Customer Relationships Management. You can build up history on an individual, see where they're associated within the system, manage marketing campaigns, and see how many quotes and jobs are associated with this person. Employees is your employees in the business, whether they're in the office or out on site. The first three tabs are the General Employee section. The fourth tab onwards is the HR section. Periodicals. This is where you'd manage your contracts, manage invoicing schedules against the contracts, and plan your maintenance tasks. Work orders. This is where you manage your periodical jobs and your quoted works. There is a full-blown costing section. From within work orders, you can create appointments, so your remote workers can pick up the appointments and complete jobs, completing job sheets within IBMS. Remote workers complete jobs through three different mechanisms. You have IBMS Lite. This is a Windows application designed to run on a small netbook or notebook, preferably with a touchscreen so you can capture client signatures. Here you can see I've been set up as an engineer and I have 2 appointments. On each appointment you can see the work order details, find the location of multi-map, full spec of the job. You can see all the site contacts at the site where you're completing the work. For maintenance jobs, you see individual tasks, get further information on each asset or task, including the schedule of works, and fill in an individual report on each asset. You can see any purchase orders raised against the job, any relevant documentation, and create new documentation, risk assessments, method statements. These can be dictated by you. And the job sheet. You can pass office notes back, some schedule notes, capture your time and materials, and fill out your overall report. Then you can capture the client signature and sign it off yourself, sending the job sheet back to the office. The second way is through IBMS Mobile, which is an Android application. Number of appointments, details of an appointment, a risk assessment, the individual maintenance tasks, any notes, office notes, time and attendance, and your overall report, along with capturing the client signature. The final way is through IBMS Live. IBMS Live is basically a web front end, opening up various parts of IBMS to the outside world. In this case, we're opening up the jobs to your employees. So I'm now logged in as an employee, and on the home screen, I get access to documentation that's stored within IBMS. I can also approve purchase orders raised by other members of staff, and I can approve my own purchase order invoices to be paid. Here we can see the list of appointments that I've got. Each appointment gives you the details of the work, risk assessment, any associated documentation, your maintenance tasks, and your time, attendance and materials. To make scheduling of work easier, we have the dashboard. This gives you an overall view of all your engineers and the work that they have on. Work can easily be moved from person to person or around different dates. If you have a particularly busy month, you can use the month view. Again, here you can just drag and drop appointments, move them to different dates and different people. There are other ways of opening up IBMS via the web portal. Some of our clients open up IBMS to their clients. Here we can see our own web portal. We provide our clients access to the help desk. They can view their open incidents and provide us with updates. Here's another help desk web portal. We also provide our clients with help desk statistics. We allow them to update their contact information and preview outstanding invoices. Here's a PPM planner, allowing your clients to see what work is due, what's been completed and what's overdue. Here's a diary view, so your clients can see who's coming to visit them and when. Give your clients access to their work orders. Give your clients access to the documents stored within IBMS. These are managed within the DMS system, which I shall cover off shortly. Give your clients access to the reports within IBMS. IBMS comes with about 150 reports. You can add, edit or delete these as you see fit. Give your clients access to any quality auditing or KPI management you perform. You can also open up IBMS to suppliers. Here we can see the supplier can view their own jobs or your purchase orders that you've raised. They can update the details submitting any documentation. They can also update their own contact details. We offer a full-blown crystal report server, allowing you to produce a number of statistics in various graphical formats. When you're in any section, with any record highlighted, you can go into DMS. This is the document management system, where you store all inbound and outbound correspondence. To store something inbound, you simply drag and drop, selecting from a predefined list of templates that you dictate. This then stores it against this record. It's also available from within the client record that the job is associated with. For outbound correspondence, you can just click New, and again pick from your predefined list of templates. This means all your outbound correspondence is branded up in the same manner. The quote section is where you can manage your quotes and turn them into jobs. You'll notice within work orders, you can manage job sheets, purchase orders and invoices, and we've created 3 individual sections to manage these as well. Within purchase orders, there is a purchase order authorization system and a purchase order invoice authorization system. We've covered off the core sections, and there are some additional features and other sections to complement them. There is a messaging system allowing you to send information out from IBMS via email or SMS. There is a report section, so here we can see the number of reports available within the work order section. There is about 150 reports that IBMS comes with, and you can add, edit and delete these as you see fit. Here are some examples of some reports. A customer margins report, engineer maintenance, holiday and absence, stock reorder, help desk incident, job sheet hours, purchase orders awaiting approval, PO invoices queried, PPM works completed versus outstanding, active quotes not turned into jobs. Additional sections include projects and quotes. This is where you can manage larger projects or quotes. You can manage tendering processes with your suppliers. Create a project plan to be exported to be used in a Gantt chart. And look at your running costs and estimates. The component section is a full-blown stock control system. The help desk section is a call management system allowing you to set SLAs and actions. Fleet management allows you to manage all your vehicles, the related suppliers, financial information, any regular events. These can be managed by either date or mileage with reminders, and your fuel log. Tools or equipment is basically an asset list for everything your company owns. You can track its location, who it's been assigned to, either supplier, site or employee. Perform calibration tests. There is a RefCom section helping you to manage your refrigerant and cylinders. And a full-blown diary section. If you'd like further information on this product, why not view the long demonstration, which you can find a link to on the homepage. Alternatively, please contact Ian Rendell. My contact details can be found on the website. Thanks very much.